What's going on, everyone? My name is Michael Taylor, Michael Taylor Research, and thank you for checking out another video. Today I want to show you guys my collection of fidget spinners. I call these things Twitch handles, which is a name my buddy came up with a while ago. I just decided to run with it. So yeah, I just want to give you a quick demo of how each of them function. So this is the traditional spinner. This is the TH0. I'm sure you've seen these before, so I don't have to explain that one too much. After that comes TH1, which is an unbalanced spinner. Basically, it is just one arm off of the original design. And I just really like this one because it's nice and small and compact and kind of fun to mess with. Then you've got the TH2, which is just the TH1 with an additional bearing attached, and it is slightly more phallic, but it's got just a much more satisfying spin to it. And you can also spin it around on this little groove, which is fun. Then we've got the TH3, which looks like an alien head, and it's kind of fun when you poke your finger through. Anyway, it is also unbalanced, and it functions as like a brass knuckle, which feels really good in your hand. You can spin it around your finger. You can also put that on a keychain. So another unique little design. After that is the TH4, which is the first organic shape, which means it's just really smooth and round. And the intention for this one was to be able to twirl it in between your fingers, kind of like a pen. So it's kind of satisfying, and you can also twirl it like that, even though I can't. So that's that. This is the TH5. No, sorry. This is the TH6. I'm missing the 5. But that should be on my thingiverse. Anyway, this is a bar spinner. The original idea was a stoplight. So if you just imagine black body with red, yellow, green, that was the intention. But it also is it's like an unbalanced and a regular spinner, so kind of unique. It also has a little key ring port, so you can carry it on your keychain. And this one is the TH7. Right? Yeah, TH7, and it's got clips as the counterweight, so it's kind of unique, and you can clip it onto your keychain. You can use it as a keychain. It's just got a really satisfying flick to it. It doesn't spin forever, but it's just fun to mess with. And then finally, 6, 7, 8, TH8. This one is just another design of like the basic balance spinner, just to add a little more weight to it. I also have little covers that go over top of this, so it'll fit on like a plate, that are optical illusions. So I haven't uploaded those yet, but I plan to in the future. Anyway, that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Zoop!